Good morning. It is July 8th, 2023, and it is 4:24 a.m. and I am heading to Blue Knob State Park, which is about a 2.5 hour drive from Lancaster, and I'm meeting up with the Parks on the Air group, Mid-Atlantic, mostly Pennsylvania people, some Maryland. And we're going to spend the day and activate Parks on the Air. And I got through the tunnel and it is foggy like crazy. I'm sure it's just very temporary, but that's what you get on the other side of the tunnel. Okay, I am on 220, or also known as I-99 corridor, and I am 15 miles away from the meetup at Blue Knob State Park, and I did not stop at Sidling Hill. I decided to keep going to Bedford and stopped at Sheets. And the first one here, it's a little after 8 o'clock. Took a couple detours, not on purpose, but got here. It's kind of tough when you don't have cell service, but the offline maps saved it for me. Took me on a road called Monument Road that was absolutely a challenge for my Tucson, but it did really well. Nice entrance to the pavilion area, and it feels like it's full of mosquitoes. I'll have to go back to the car and get some lotion. I don't want to do any setup yet until I talk to Curtis, who's the organizer of the event. See about what he wants to do about antennas. So here's the pavilion. Lots of areas to set up antennas in the trees. And I'll bet there's lots of deer around here too. So I'm gonna turn this off for now and get back when there's something exciting to talk about. The second highest point in Pennsylvania at 3,146. The highest is Mount Davis at 3,213. Beautiful view. Unfortunately, it's a little bit on the hazy side, so I'm not sure how much is going to show up. This is also a ski resort, and back in the 70s, maybe late 70s, early 80s, my dad and I skied up here. It was nice. It was a really good slope. So I'm going to walk a little bit and take a couple more videos and pause this. So I'm up here at the lift, and here's the view from the lift. It's beautiful up here, really is. Too bad the haze is in here, but for those who are watching the video because of my ham radio, I did 9 summits on the air up here today. It's a 10-point summit, but it was a drive up, so it was an easy activation, but certainly one that was worth the drive up. And it's time to head back to the group. Here's the little guy.
Tall guy, KPSKL.
Little guy. Da 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 da. Who's this guy? Say hi to Leon.
Oh, is that Where's Leon? Hey, Leon.
I don't know who this guy is.
I don't know who I am either.
I don't know who she is. She's not very active. And there's the birthday girl taking pictures.
Just some candid shot. I'll take a picture. You take a picture.
There you go.
We were up just checking out these guys, the 3 guys in a bike. So I said, where are you guys from?
Say cheese.
Cheese.
You're on video. What is your call?
KC3VQQ.
QQ. Okay, I'm Scott KN3.
Okay, KN3A.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
How's that cigar?
KN3A.
Yep. And how's that cigar going?
Oh, it's just fine.
Yeah. And what's your call?
K3SKS.
Okay. I think I've worked you.
I'm better known, I probably not.
No?
I'm better known as Mr. KC3JAS Judy.
Your Judy's as a...
Yes.
Okay.
I can't pry the microphone out of her hand.
Was the SKS for the straight key?
No, it's
No?
my initials.
Oh, okay.
So I wouldn't forget it.
Oh, look at the black cats. We have a black cat.
The black cats with the yellow background?
Yeah. So, is this the same cat?
No.
You have 4
I had
black
4
cats.
black cats, and they're all named after Jungle Book characters.
They're all named after what?
Jungle Book?
Okay. We have a black cat we love. He's the best cat we ever
I
had.
foster, and I take pictures of them, so I have a lot of cats. A lot of cat photos.
And they're neat. This
Yeah,
is
that's
spectacular. That's spectacular.
We printed that one on and auctioned it off there.
And we didn't go hungry today.
Is that all you can do is 125?
Or 10.
That's all you can do is 125?
That's it.
That's all?
With this, yeah.
That's all?
That's it.
It's basically QRP then, isn't it?
Yep. Oh, its receiver is.
Hey, I'd run 200.
Yeah. That's it.
Zulu Kilo again. Whiskey Bravo Zero. Victor Zulu Kilo. QSL.
He got out.
Yep, faded.